been looking for a new construction home in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, specifically in the Anderson area, in this video, we're going to take a tour of the Arlington floor plan. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and also tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Square footage is about 2,600 square feet, just a little over 2,600. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with a loft area as well. 2-car garage. And this neighborhood, it's like a cement board siding neighborhood, no vinyl. So you can see this is, like a hard plank, cement plank siding, okay? You got a little front porch here. And nice size dining room with the copper ceilings. They do have the 2-inch blinds already installed in this home. And this door here, there's a little storage area right over here. And then on the other side of it is a closet, a coat closet, okay? You got plenty of windows in here. Gas log fireplace. And right here is, kind of like your guest suite. Because you got the full bath right here. And then a bedroom on this side, okay? Just a regular size closet, nothing too big, not a walk-in like some of the other ones. But it's a nice little, guest suite on the main level great for an in-law suite or guests that come to visit you. Open floor plan. And on this side over here, you have the Butler's Pantry. Kind of small Butler's Pantry area. We'll check out the garage real quick. 2-car garage. The water heater is right over there. It does have a tank. So it's not tankless in this one. There's a tank there. Let's go back to the kitchen. All right, so nice sized island here. And this one does have the soft close drawers, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and it does have the pantry here. Gas range, and obviously a built-in microwave. And on this island here, you do have some drawers and cabinets on that side as well. Nice little area here where you can put bar stools. Swing around here so we can be able to get a better look. Lots of recessed lighting, and this would be kind of like a breakfast area in this area right here. Okay, let's check out the outside real quickly. And this is a corner lot, covered patio with the ceiling fan. Okay, so corner lot. All right, got the nice pendant lights coming down from there. And let's head on upstairs. So you got hardwood stairs. Makes it so much easier to clean. So you've got the loft area here. Also have that luxury vinyl plank that's downstairs in this loft area. So it helps kind of keep things clean. Linen closet there. And you have a full bath with 2 sinks. Again, luxury vinyl plank on the floors. And a bedroom here. A couple of windows. Closet with double doors. Pull down attic. And another bedroom here. 2 windows again. And double doors to the closet. Let's check out the primary bedroom. Well, first of all, let's check out this laundry room. And the washer and dryer is already included. Again, you have that luxury vinyl plank floors there. Double doors into the primary bedroom suite. And 3 windows in here. Good natural light coming in through here. And the ensuite bathroom. So you got the water closet there, double sinks, and tile all the way to the ceiling. Got a nice block window there. That's in a little bit of natural light into the ensuite bathroom. Linen closet, walk-in closet. If you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in Anderson area or in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Or even if you have questions about the real estate market here, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a meeting to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye.